Hello YouTube, Crace Repairs here. DJ Crace making his debut. Alright, today we're talking about this mini bike. Alright, last time you guys saw it was completely finished. And now we got it all done. Alright, we had to powder coat the recoil housing, the blower housing, and we ceramic coated the exhaust to give it a completely finished look and custom look. So let's take a look. Alright guys, so here it is. Take a look at that. Nice illusion cherry powder coat. It's by prismatic powders. Okay. Alright, here's the ceramic coat on the exhaust. Alright. Here's a complete view of it. Look at this thing. It turned out really nice. Right, D?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Alright, so let's roll it back into the garage outside a little bit. We'll start it up.
Okay.
And you're going to hold this. Alright. Hold the camera. Let's get this thing outside. We'll get it in the sunlight here. Look at that. Look at how that color pops.
Yeah, it does look nice.
Yeah, it's got a lot of nice color. Now, let's start it up real quick. Let you guys listen to it again. All right, fuel on, choke on. Fuel is on. Shut it off.
Yeah.
All right. D?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys. Here's your chance to win this mini bike. We're going to be giving it away in a raffle. All right. Raffle spots are $25 a spot. We have 100 spots. All the proceeds of the raffle will be going to the local Perth Amboy Firefighters Historical Association to help restore their 1921 American LaFrance fire truck. All right, more information will be in the link below. Thank you. God bless. Bye.
Bye.